another bonfire. This time I'm going to use this nice little small propane torch. So just need to get that. Put some diesel fuel on there, and then I got a propane can around here somewhere. So get that running, put a little diesel fuel in, and light it up.
Feel the warmth of the fire from here. Ah! Some fire. Wow, that is humongous. Well, I guess diesel is the way to go. This is the easiest burn pile we've started ever. What? I have never seen a diesel flame that humongously tall. You can see the shadow of it rippling. My drone won't fly. It's probably out of battery current. Then look, I hit the...
Don't do it with the... I wouldn't do it with the camera.
It's billowing. Oh, yeah.
Hey guys.
Hi.
Looks like it's pretty much burned down almost all the way.
Yes. Yeah.
So that'll be the end of the first thing we did this Saturday.
I know what this is. It's a baton.
That's a pitchfork. We just cleaned up the floor here, mopped it up. We used this Mr. Siga mop with microfiber brushes, and then this super concentrated organic tiles and wood floor cleaner. So 1/4 of a teaspoon per 250 milliliters, or a teaspoon per liter. And we are going to install or put down our new Ruggable. So we'll unbox that. Luna's crashing on the couch with mommy. And the boys are watching our oldest create a logo for the channel. Here. I opened it from that side, and then we've got this handy dandy skylight up here so I can pull the box off of the rug vertically.
So nice.
I like it.
There we go. So this is the back side of the rug, and then if you look here, you can see
The back side of the rug.
these are the pads that go down. The rug kind of sticks to that, and this rug can come out and be washed.
And then we cleaned our dance floor with, hardwood floor with Larry Hardwood Floor Cleaner, which is very amusing. And as you can see, when I step on this, it gets my feet wet, so I don't think I want to do that. And then Daddy is putting that in the skylight as well.
Thanks, Ben.
Oh, bye. Booby tuber.
A little longer than I thought it was going to be.
Are we gonna get tripped into a pool?
No, this is totally unstable.
I'll hold it.
Just, yeah, you hold the carpet.
There we go.
And I'll just open the door and put the carpet in here so that
Oh dear.
Action.
you got the second of the two ruggable Velcro pieces. They're basically like a Velcro. They've got a rubber on the bottom
are opposite.
that adheres to the hardwood pretty well. And then this piece is, the top is supposed to attach the carpet. It's got Velcro, actual Velcro on the corners.
This is sort of Velcro, and this is actual Velcro.
Yeah, good thing you don't have socks on, huh? You'd be stuck.
Well, not really. But if I pulled my foot out, it wouldn't tear my thumb.
Cool.
This means when kids and dogs get the actual carpet dirty, we can just pick that up and wash it.
Yeah.
And then we might get two carpets so that we can put another carpet down while the other one is getting washed.
Or we could have different types
Cool.
of carpet so we can interchange the carpets.
You mean like a different look to the additional one? Would that be
Yeah.
fun?
We can have both colors.
It was kind of hard to pick out the one.
It's already picking up dog hair. Can you
Oh,
knock off the
good.
dog hair, Tim? Because I think you're adding stuff to it.
Yeah.
We have the pads down, so now we've got about an inch overlap on the sides of the pads. And now we're just gonna roll it out and smooth it out as we go, because it's kind of like Velcro. Ooh, that rhymed. We're gonna smooth it out as we go, because it's kind of like Velcro.
It looks so good.
You like it?
Yeah.
Oh my. Yeah, it sticks off a lot over
Got a
here.
little more overlap on this side than the other, but that should